Welcome to our channel How to IT Tech to PK. This is my channel. Click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. Today our topic how to create barcode. How to create barcode in Excel sheet. I already made this myself. This is the serial number, description, UPC, and this is for education purpose only, and for practical you can use also for practical use. There is a lot of knowledge in this barcode generation and how to print on using print sheet or roll, and there are different kind of scanner that are compatible with different barcode font. I use in this video barcode font, and this is the name of the font, barcode, and I write a formula in this field. See this, and this is the formula: equal, inverted comma, star, inverted comma, and this is the cell reference D2, and then and symbol, and then the inverted comma, and then star, and then inverted comma. I already arranged the material in a folder, and this is the Excel sheet and the helpful links. You can use and study these helpful links. This will beneficial for you. I already use and this is the material. You will download this material in the description link, in video description link. I already installed this font, barcode generation. Copy this and go into the control panel, home, and then the category, small icons, and then fonts folder, and then click here to paste. When I paste this, this is the font name, ID Automation SXHCM39M font is already installed. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I replace it. This is I only want to show you how to install this font. This is the font is installed, and I copy this sheet and show you how it is work. Now I delete this font, barcode font, and the equal sign. I now change the font and then apply the formula. Equal, star, equal, inverted comma, star, then again star, inverted comma, and symbol, and then click on this B2, and then again and inverted comma star, and then again inverted comma. And when this is happen in this when these digit are start with static and the end with static, this is we successfully apply this barcode formula, and then we drag it and then drag it. I already installed the font in my computer. You have to select this font, and this is the font. Click on this and the font is installed and barcode is generated. How it is easy, how we generate barcode using this easy method. And I tell you the most advantage procedure for different online WooCommerce stores who definitely you download their .csv file and then create the barcode using this method. This will save your time, and you can use this for barcode generation and scanning purposes for your store or shop. You can download this my helpful material in the video description link. You can download the material and enjoy this method. Hopefully you like this video and click the subscribe and bell icon. Share this video. I make this video again on this topic if you support me to comment on this topic.